Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to see how to install XAMPP in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So now I'm going to use a Windows 11 PC. You guys can use Windows 10 also, and the procedure for installing XAMPP is same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now let's jump into it. And the first step in this tutorial to install XAMPP is downloading the executable file of XAMPP. So now let's proceed to our web browser. So now I'm going to open my web browser and then search for XAMPP. And click on the topmost search result, and now I'm going to click it, and XAMPP plus Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP and Perl. So now I'm going to download the executable file, and as I'm using Windows, I'm going to click XAMPP for Windows. So XAMPP installer is downloading. So as you guys can see, I have successfully installed the XAMPP executable file or the installer. So I'm gonna open it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to a device? Click on yes. This will show a warning message. So now I'm gonna click on OK. So set up XAMPP Bitnami. Welcome to XAMPP setup wizard. Click on next. So these are the servers: Apache, mysql, FileZilla, FTP server, Mercury mail server, Tomcat program, and programming languages. So now I'm going to click on next. So it will ask me to select a folder. So I'm going to click on next. So XAMPP control panel for Windows supports different languages. So now I can select English as the language and click on next. And Bitnami for XAMPP provides free installers that can install Drupal, Joomla, WordPress, and many more. So now I'm gonna click on learn more about. I'm gonna uncheck this, and I'm gonna click on next. So ready to install, click on next. So as you guys can see, XAMPP is installing. So now I'm gonna close this application. So setup has finished installing XAMPP. So now I'm gonna click on finish by checking this checkbox and click on finish. So now we have successfully installed the XAMPP control panel, and this is the control panel, and this XAMPP is able to run services, and this can run servers such as Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, and many more. And by clicking on start, we can on the servers, and we can on the servers, and we can stop the servers by clicking on stop. and we can click on stop, and we can stop the servers from running in background. And now we have successfully installed XAMPP on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and technology related ideas. See you in the next one.